So how to remove a broken headphone plug from a jack. The broken piece is stuck inside the jack and won't allow any audio to be played. So I'll use a soldering iron, some solder, and a little bit of flux that I will apply to this copper wire. Here you'll see that I will insert that wire inside there and hopefully be able to pull that broken piece out. So here I'm tinning my copper wire and adding some solder onto it. I put a little bit of flux inside the broken jack so that I can easily transfer heat from the wire onto the broken piece, and hopefully it will make a solid bond. So here's my first attempt. Of course it takes a few tries, failed. Second attempt was also a failure, and I tried even a third time and it failed. So what happened is that I decided to actually take it apart to get a better angle on the inside of the jack. So I took it all apart and I'm going to put the piece back into the wise grip, and here I'm gonna pull it, and finally here we go, it came out with no problem. And now you can plug in a headphone jack into it with no problem. So put it back together, plug it back in, and it should work. Thanks for watching.